Wisdom Water pioneers, practitioners, and explorers in environmental protection, history, and mission, a century for a life. 1,000 years for environmental protection. This is the vision for the growth of Wisdom Water, the rebuilding of cities, and the dream of a better future for nations. Green, smart, and precise is the power of Wisdom Water. As the defender of the environment and protector of the earth, we take on the national mission of building up the country's industries and strengthening the nation through technology. Even with growing environmental challenges, we move forward with energy and passion. After 12 years of hard work, Wisdom Water has achieved great success and will become a leading force in the future. We are Wisdom Water, committed to offering green, smart, and precise environmental solutions for the Earth's clean air and water. Wisdom Water was born in a land full of history and culture, where the spirit of innovation is strong. Established in 2008, Wisdom Water quickly became a leader in smart environmental protection. From 2013 to 2017, we built our first production plant and received important certifications for environmental contracting and sewage treatment. By 2018, we were recognized as a top enterprise in Hunan, gaining first-level environmental contracting status and high-tech enterprise recognition. In 2019, we built a smart factory and became known for innovation in technology. By 2020, we received praise for advanced environmental protection technologies, practitioners' development, and glory. Wisdom Water believes in pushing the limits and breaking new ground. Our R&D team works fast, creating smart environmental solutions. We were the first to introduce integrated equipment in China and developed 56 patents for sewage and waste treatment. Our main product, the ISRI sewage treatment device, is used in rural water treatment, cleaning polluted water, and wastewater management in industrial areas. That we lead in green environmental protection, with a world-class standardized manufacturing line for sewage treatment products. Together with Hunan University, we created a base for environmental technology. With our smart data center, we monitor projects 24/7, fixing problems quickly. If issues arise, we respond within 15 minutes and solve them on site within 12 hours in the province or 48 hours nationwide. Wisdom Water is setting new standards in smart water management. Explorers, innovation, and beyond. Wisdom Water leads the way in high-tech environmental solutions, expanding across regions. From rooted in Hunan to looking towards the world, our Wisdom Water ecosystem drives progress, creating smart environmental protection solutions. We stay true to our mission of producing high-quality products that speed up the growth of environmental science, expand the environmental industry, and lead the market in eco-friendly equipment. Our goal is to create value for our customers, bring honor to our brand, and provide a brighter future for our employees. This is our core mission. We are Wisdom Water.